New year, same real estate market? Let's talk about it. Here it is. Here's your January 2021 market update. Hey, it's Narreau here with Realty One Group Empire. And in this video, I want to show you by the numbers exactly how the real estate market is doing for the Victor Valley area. Now, a common theme that is probably going to take place all the way through 2021 is going to be low inventory. Last year, for majority of the year, we saw low inventory. So I don't see that changing anytime this year. So be prepared for that if you are a buyer, and if you're a seller, great time to sell with the low inventory. So with that being said, let's not waste any more time. Let's jump on in. Let me show you firsthand just how the market is doing. All right, so as always, I got my trusty laptop here, and this is a new slide I want to show you, and it basically shows you firsthand why we have the inventory issues that we do have. So if you're watching on a cell phone, you probably can't see the numbers, but the green bars represent the number of homes sold in that month, and then the blue line represents how many new listings were brought to the market in that month. So if we look at December, you can see we sold 341 homes versus only bringing 240 new listings to the market. So that right there that's obviously going to create an inventory problem if we're selling more homes than are being put on the market. Even in November, the same situation happened. We sold 352 homes versus only bringing 300 homes or 300 new listings to the market. So, in a total of the last 2 months, we've sold almost 700 homes versus only bringing 540 new homes to the market. You can only do that for so long before we get to a number that, each month our inventory is shrinking. So this is why. So if you are a homeowner and you do have equity in your home, great time to secure it right now. Just look at the numbers. And with that being said, let's jump on into the next slide. Okay, so this next slide I'm showing you is the average days on market. And when you're looking at this chart, keep in mind this is also including homes that have been sitting on the market that are overpriced as well and just sitting on the market. So even with that being said, the average days on market, we're looking at 33 days, which is, that's phenomenal. If you want to get your home sold, as long as it's priced correctly, it's more a matter of when it'll sell, not if it will sell. And also the other line you want to look at is this green line up above. This green line up above represents the sold price compared to the original listing price. And if you go back all the way to March of 2020, we were at 99%, and these last 4 months, we've been at 100%, and we've even gone above 100%. So, great time to sell. If you do have that equity in your home, perfect time to secure it. And buyers, this is why I say you're gonna have to come with your highest and best offer right on the bat, right off the bat. As you can see here in October, 101% from the sold price versus the original listing price. So if you're a buyer, write your strongest offer right off the bat. You really don't have time to even really negotiate on the purchase price if the home is available on the market, because another buyer is going to come in, give the seller what they want, and you've missed out on that home. So keep that in mind if you are out there looking and you do plan on purchasing a home. I would keep this state of mind throughout 2021. I don't really see the inventory increasing, like I said earlier. So if you do plan on purchasing a home in 2021, I would suggest writing your highest and best offer right off the bat. If you don't, there's a good chance you might miss out on that home, so keep that in mind. All right, here it is. It's everyone's favorite slide. It's the months of inventory. And as you can see, looking at this slide, I mean, we have been on a steady decline for over a year now, which is wild. If you don't know, what the months of inventory means is if another home isn't put on the market, how long would it take for us to run out of homes to sell? And if you look at this chart, I mean, we're at 0.7 of a month. I did the math, that equals 21 days. So if another home isn't brought on the market, then we would run out of homes to purchase within 21 days, which is absolutely wild to think about. That's crazy. So buyers, that's why it's tough out there. Sellers, that's why it's a great time to sell. So 0.7, 21 days. If another home isn't brought to the market, we're out of homes to purchase. Wow. All right, so there it is. There's your January 2021 market update. So as you can see, if you're a homeowner, great time to sell your home and secure your equity. If you put your home on the market, have it priced correctly, it's basically just a matter of time before you're able to secure your equity. Buyers, on the other hand, yes, you do have a lot of competition out there. The shining light in the situation is the low interest rate that you're going to be able to secure for the next 30 years. So as of now, yes, you might have to go through the rainstorm, but once you get your offer accepted, you close escrow, you have that interest rate locked in for the next 30 years, which is, I mean, you're going to save more money with a lower interest rate than you would if you have a lower purchase price and a higher interest rate. So keep that in mind. If you're on the fence and you are wanting to purchase a home, but you see the home prices, really keep going up month over month, keep that in mind. You're actually going to pay less with a lower interest rate versus having home prices coming down and you having a higher interest rate. So something to think about. Keep that in mind if you are on the fence about purchasing a home in today's market. So with that being said, if you do need help buying a home, selling a home, here's my contact information. I'd love to help you out with that process. And with that being said, my name's Adam Narreau, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.